In this training video, I'm going to teach you how to search for owner occupied leads. So the very first thing we want to do is select a location. Then we're going to go up to what are we looking for is owner occupied. So, why would we actually market owner occupied? Well, generally you could say, a realtor would like to market owner occupied to see if they may be interested in selling their property. If you're a contractor and you want to market the, owner occupied. So just keep in mind that you just don't have to be a real estate investor to use REIPro. REIPro can be a huge tool for so many different businesses. And that's where owner occupied is really going to come into play. As you can see, we have a ton here. Now I'm going to go ahead and click search. Now it's up to you to really determine, what is it that you're really looking for? I would say the majority of time, people are going to use the map in this case. Now I can open that map just to kind of get a little bit better view. I'm going to actually zoom in and maybe I start to draw specific locations, of where I want to really target market this. I can go in and then select multiple different shapes here to get that total lead count. Now again, keep in mind you can use the filters, exactly what you're targeting. Maybe I just want to target those single family homes. Maybe you're that, person that, hey, I've got my price range of where I do business is between these points. Okay, so don't just look at it from an investor standpoint, because if it's owner occupied and they don't have a for sale sign, why would they be selling? But you think of Lead Pro as a really good way to market people. If you're a contractor, mortgage broker, if you're a realtor, and other different people that are in real estate, and that's the whole point of why it's here. I can then obviously apply any filters that I do set on here to get to that total amount. So hope this training video helped, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.